How to get a micro niche idea and prosper. If you've been online for any length of time, then you've heard the current internet buzz about niche marketing. It's one of the hottest topics out there right now. The concept of niche marketing may be relatively new to the internet, but in the day-to-day world of bricks and mortar businesses, it's not something at all new. It's actually how things have always been done. So then you might be wondering, just what is niche marketing and how does it all work? For that matter, you may also be thinking, why should I care? If you have ever taken a basic marketing course in school, then you have heard the time-worn saying, find a need and fill it. This is exactly what discovering a niche idea for niche marketing is about. You want to find a targeted group of people who have a specific interest, the niche, and who are eager to spend money on that interest. Your goal is to discover a suitable service or product for these targeted people who have an interest in purchasing it. This is the marketing aspect of niche marketing. Here are just a few examples of a niche: people searches, dating, pets, jewelry, golf, cooking, loans, insurance, beauty products, hair care, music, cooking, travel, and I'm sure from this brief niche list that you get the idea. We could create an infinite niche idea list here. But think of this niche idea list as the main categories, as there are many subcategories in each of these niches. No matter what topic you think of, you'll no doubt be able to find a niche market for your niche idea. Yet in finding a niche idea for your niche market that will help you to prosper, you need to discover a highly focused niche. Should you focus on too broad of a market when attempting to find a niche idea, then you're faced with stiff competition, which makes it extremely difficult, if not impossible, for the average Joe or Jane to get a foot in the door. You're eliminating the heavy hitters and big dogs in online marketing when you narrow down the market size with your niche idea. These guru marketers have endless ad dollars, yet in choosing a tight niche market, you're basically setting yourself up for success, as these big dogs aren't interested in earning a couple $1,000s each year from these micro niches. Their interests lie in making millions in the major mass markets. So in researching your niche idea wisely and making the right decision, you're well on your way to micro niche success. And unlike these heavy hitter marketers, if you're one person going it solo online, there's no way that you can be everything for everybody. So picking a micro niche idea to focus on makes excellent business sense. For example, instead of choosing the dating niche, focus on seniors dating or gay dating or Asian dating. Are you starting to get the picture now? No matter what niche idea you come up with, chances are that you can narrow it down to many more micro niches. You could even narrow it down to your local market, as in fly fishing lures in Los Angeles. The micro niche idea competitive edge: as soon as you've narrowed down your niche market idea into a micro niche idea, you now have a great advantage over bigger companies. Here are some of the reasons why you now have that advantage. In a micro niche, you can rapidly establish yourself as an expert in your field, if not already one. In a micro niche market, it's much simpler to stay up to date on the market trends. When changes do happen in your micro niche, you are able to react much quicker. You'll be in a position to build tight relationships with key customers that competitors can't beat. So, if you're now wondering how to get started in finding a micro niche to market, there are some things you can do that will only cost you some time and not a cent. Of course, there are more sophisticated micro niche idea software tools on the market that you'll probably want to explore in time. I like to use the Google search-based keyword tool. Working through the steps to your micro niche idea. Let's say that you want to check out a micro niche idea for fishing. Type in the broad term fishing and the KW tool will bring up a list of more specific fishing-related keywords such as fly fishing, fishing tackle, fishing boats, and the list goes on. Now the key in finding a micro niche idea with less competition is to scroll down to the searches that show about 1,000 searches a month for those keywords. This will bring us into terms like Daiwa fishing reels, saltwater fishing tackle, bass fishing tackle, and so on. Now you see that within the broad niche of fishing, there are multiple micro niches to be found. With at least 1,000 monthly searches, you can be sure that there is an interest in your micro niche idea, and the competition won't be so tough that you don't have a chance in the market. Researching your micro niche idea, and having done this, you've taken the very first step in locating a profitable micro niche, the research. And once you decide on a specific micro niche idea, you've completed the second step, finding an acceptable product or service to market. With steps 1 and 2 out of the way, the third step is to set up a website or niche blog so that you can market your micro niche idea. And once you're set up and running, then you need to find a marketing, advertising, and promotional strategy that works for you and stay consistent with it. When you get your first micro niche idea site launched and have learned just how easy it all is, then you can repeat this process over and over with various other micro niche ideas. Imagine if just one micro niche idea site were earning you just $10 a day. That's $3,650 a year. Now think of having 10 sites earning the same, or 20, and how much you could earn annually. The total cost for all of this would only be the cost for each domain and your hosting service. You can find web hosting that hosts unlimited WordPress blogs for under $10 a month. Things to consider: if you're a veteran internet marketer, then you know it's not as easy as putting up a site and expecting the buyers or traffic to come. And if you're brand new to online marketing, you should know right now that in order to prosper, you'll need to work at this, learn marketing strategies to get traffic, and stay on top of your business to obtain success. Just like any business, if you put in the efforts, the rewards will follow.